a sterlingkit.com teching robot model DM518. It's an all-metal kit for me to build today. So let's build it. You start out by reading the instruction manual. All the parts are laid out very neatly in numbered trays. It comes with tools, but I would recommend a slightly better screwdriver and maybe a pair of pliers. As you slowly build the robot kit, build it as modules. Eventually you end up with it pretty complete. And then I found one tricky part. And that was putting together the electronic circuit boards. Now, they're all pre-assembled, there's no soldering to do, but some of the connectors, especially the ones that you have to put in underneath in a very small robot, were hard for me with big fingers to actually insert. At first, it didn't work, but using the troubleshooting guide in the Sterling Kit manual, I found the problem. There was a loose connection on one of the boards, and the little robot came to life. This robot kit comes with music. If you want it, there's a switch on the front. There's an SD card with MP3 files, and it plays Merry Christmas and another song. Personally, I found that a bit annoying, but it gave me an idea. As a film editor and sound designer, I went and downloaded robot sound effects. And now the robot sounds much more realistic and doesn't sing Merry Christmas. And then there's an app, and it works. Your iPhone, your iPad, Android, and Apple devices can control your robot via Bluetooth. You can steer it, move its head separately, and play the sounds. And it's really powerful. It will climb up small inclines. It will go on hard surfaces or on carpet. It's a fun little robot. You, of course, will want to build one for yourself, but you might want to give it as a gift, and it would make an ideal birthday present. You could work with your kids to actually build it up and see it working. Highly recommended kit from sterlingkit.com. So thanks sterlingkit.com for letting me build one and checking it out and giving you a review of how good this little robot is. But they've also given you a discount. By using this code, Simon, you can get 10% off your own robot, and in fact, 10% off their entire range of very cool metal models.